Well, the solar panels came today. There they are, 18 panels. And they're beginning the installation up there. They just unloaded the panels off the truck, stacked them up there. And they're upstairs now working, installing the platforms they're going to be putting them on. So I believe I'll walk upstairs and see if I can see what's going on. I like the job they're doing on they did on the steps there. Did a good job. Iron railing, the painting, the tiles. Looks good. Well, here are two of them. Two of the 18 solar panels right there. And they're going to put 10 right in this space here. They'll be back tomorrow morning to start installing the 10 panels in this space right here. And so that'll be 12. And the 6 others are planned to go right here in this space. So that'll be a total of 18 solar panels. And I was hoping that we would get some of the panels down here on this second level, but he said that this wall here would block so much of the sun that it would not be efficient to put it there. So we plan to put 10 in this space and 6 in that space over there, and then the 2 right there for a total of 18. And they told me that they'll be back in the morning to start work on installing, and that they hope to have everything installed by Thursday morning. Today is Monday. Now today is Tuesday. So by Thursday morning, when they leave, they'll have all of them installed, they say. Boy, it is hot up here. But looks like that one's getting pretty much sun right now in the late afternoon. So 2 panels there. And hopefully when they get all of these installed and hooked up, our house will be energy independent. That's what the prediction is based on the power consumption for the last couple of years. So time will tell. Alright, I'll try to give another update tomorrow. Thanks for watching.